Welcome back to Renaware. This module will be on project templates. So we go in, we can look them up again by incremental search or by a drop down. And let's look at two ways of handling this. Let's look at the countertop. So each one of these templates are set up with a name that you might recognize and a project type. And again, there's a category and a class there. So category is countertop, and then into a class, a laminate or Corian. There's an area for sales guidelines that you can type information into, and down here under the template description is an area that you can type in the most common things that you would want to ever say to a customer for this particular type of job. So it becomes a valuable checklist to ensure that everything is included. All I have to do when I import this template into a job is fill in the blanks. This prompts me for material, color, backsplash, faucet, sink, etc. And here we have all the opportunity of changing sizes of fonts, colors. See, just made that red, and the back arrow would undo that for us. So many different ways of numbering, formatting that you can use in here, pasting in some content, but be careful on pasting in that it isn't too large and will cause the files to become very, very large. So we save and close that. The next thing is labor and material. So when I double click on this header, it gives me a list of all the things that I would typically need when I was replacing a countertop under the material. A countertop, sink, faucet. I could also, if I wanted to add in, I clicked on the plus sign at the bottom here. I tab over and this becomes caulking. Tab over. It's from our inventory. Default quantity, and you'll notice that the prices or the costs are not put in. This system all works on cost, so based on a quantity of 1 times the cost of something, it's going to do our extensions as we would go across. Double click on this. It's going to give me my labor, rear and rear countertop. If you have so much a lineal foot, then you would be able to bring this in to a template and merely enter in how many feet, and it would multiply that by the cost and calculate based on the gross margin for that project type your selling price. So I double click, and again down here is your miscellaneous costs if there were any. Template tasks, if there's specific things that need to be done with this particular project, and template options that you can put in your suppliers, which comes from your suppliers that you entered in. And you can change suppliers, you can print templates, and in most areas you can export templates out to XML files or import templates from XML, which gives us an opportunity of communicating using a pretty standard file format. So that completes the templates, a very valuable tool for use in your program.